Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The first downside of Shopify's themes is that there are only 71 themes in the official theme store. This means that your store could be using the same theme, which means your customers won't be able to tell your store apart from your competitors. In the long run, you will have a harder time building brand recognition.
Let's help you make your mark.
Shopify wins. Although Amazon's individual plan is more suitable for small-scale sellers, overall Shopify offers better value for money. It's cheaper than Amazon's professional plan, and is more scalable and transparent with its pricing than Amazon, making it easier to budget for.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There are a few disadvantages of Shopify over a custom-built e-commerce platform. Harder to customize a theme. We talked about the variety of themes Shopify offers you. No email hosting. Web hosting is included in all the plans that Shopify offers, but it does not give you the safe offer for email hosting. Can be expensive.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Shopify provides the advanced functionality to you with a plugin, application-style platform that enables you to download, install as well as customize the site. Besides the features to enhance sales and social media promotion, it also offers inventory management, accounting, and business reporting.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Shopify is a great cloud-based choice with low startup costs and an easy-to-use interface from which you can promote, sell, and ship your products. Shopify does their best to make the setup process easy, but setting up and running an e-commerce store takes a lot of thought and work.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A PayPal button or a WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress site would work. But if you need to run a multi-product e-commerce store with inventory, marketing tools, customer records, etc., then Shopify is absolutely worth it. If the pros, cons balance out for you based on your goals, resources, expertise, etc.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Gross profit dollars grew 43% to $257 million in the first quarter of 2020, compared with $180.3 million for the first quarter of 2019. Adjusted gross profit grew 44% to $263.8 million in the first quarter of 2020, compared with $182.7 million for the first quarter of 2019.
Take our lead.
When it comes to Shopify versus Etsy, Shopify is the better choice for online selling. It's more scalable, more flexible, and offers better e-commerce tools than Etsy. That said, the choice really depends on you, your business, your budget, and your goals.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.